Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Scarlet Overkill on Dress to Impress from Despicable Me. Now, I did use a VIP dress, but obviously you can replace this with anything that you would like to use. So for the hair, I used this hair in all black, no adjustments made, and I also used the Karen hair in all black. I did make some minor adjustments, Y.55, Z.55, and scaled it to 0.64. Then I'm just going to get these stockings, and then I won't color them, in any other color. Get these gloves, turn off fur, and make the color black. And then I'm just going to get these heels. Now again, you can use like any dress outside of VIP, but you would want like a flared skirt. But to be a little bit more accurate, it does look more like this-ish. It's like more medium, and color it BA1519. And then you're going to get this choker in black. And that is pretty much it. It is a super simple costume, outfit, whatever. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.